After discovery of electron and proton, it was thought that there could be possibility of third particle in the atom. In 1932, Chadwick facilitated an experiment in which he bombarded a thin sheet of beryllium by alpha particles. It was found that there was emission of particle from beryllium. When exposed to electric and magnetic fields, the particle was not deflected. This suggests that the particle is a neutral particle. Being a neutral particle, it is not an electron or proton, and it must be a new particle. He called it neutron. It is found that mass of neutron is slightly greater than mass than protons. Properties of fundamental particles. Electron, symbol is E, whose absolute charge is minus 1.6022 into 10 to the power minus 19 and relative charge is minus 1, whose mass per kilogram is 9.10939 into 10 raised to minus 31, whose mass per unit is 0.00054 and approximate mass per unit is 0. Particle proton having symbol P with absolute charge plus 1.6022 into 10 to the power minus 19 with relative charge of plus 1 and mass per kilogram is 1.67262 into 10 to the power minus 27, whose mass per unit is 1.00727 and approximate mass per unit is 1. Particle neutron, whose symbol is N and absolute charge is 0 and relative charge is 0, whose mass per kilogram is 1.67493 into 10 raised to minus 27, whose mass per unit is 1.00867 and approximate mass per unit is 1.